How to find duplicates in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily find the duplicates and delete it in your Excel. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel file and then select the table and once you've selected the table, on the Home tab, you can see Conditional Formatting. Tap on it and then tap on Highlight Cell Rules, and then you'll find duplicate values on the bottom. Tap on it and then you can see that the duplicate values are highlighted in red. You can even change the color that you want to highlight, and once you can find the duplicates, you can just tap on the duplicate and then right click on it and then delete it. If you're working in a very large number of a table, then it will be very handy for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.